Coos Bay, Oregon. Most of the time we were here, it was rainy, windy, and cold. And we also don't want to forget about the crabbers that lined the docks on the days that it wasn't raining. Aside from the nosy crabbers, because yes, they were constantly asking us questions about living on our boat, it did inspire Tristan to pull out our dinky little crab trap that we bought from Bass Pro and give it a go.
The winds are light variable. The visibility is 11 nautical miles. There are no restrictions on the bar. All vessels are being permitted to cross the bar. Vessel operators are, however, encouraged to everyone would like to go crossing the bar. This is the United States Coast Guard Station Quarter out.
Timing the bar meant we had to wake up at 5 a.m. and be ready to leave the dock at about 6 a.m. Each departure brings anticipation, a little anxiety, and definitely nervousness about what is ahead. As always, we want to thank the National Coast Guard for all of the hard work that you do. Thank you for your service, and please stay safe out there.
In all areas, 1 to 3 foot rolling swell. Winds are light variable. Visibility is 6 nautical miles. Currently, the bar is not restricted. However, vessel operators are encouraged to have everyone wear a life jacket while crossing the bar. Vessel operators are reminded that they are ultimately responsible for the safe operation and navigation of their vessel at all times. Break.
And look at the cave over there. We got to leave this bar with Captain Dave again, and we even got to see the dredging operation, which was still underway. The beautiful sunrise makes getting up extra early so worth it, especially when we cross the bar and get out onto the ocean. Crossing the bar with Captain Dave always gives us a peace of mind. Now, Captain Dave did choose to go towards Port Orford, and we took a shorter, slower trip and stopped off in Bandon. Captain Dave was even sweet enough to capture sailing vessel Lilo exiting the Coos Bay bar, and what a treat it was. Definitely head over to Captain Dave's YouTube channel at Sailing Brittany, and we just want to thank you again, Captain Dave. This was so special getting to see Lilo leaving Coos Bay.
Back into the bar?
Yeah, you need to bring it port. Yeah, we're out. It's really close. Tristan, there's a whale out here. This trip we took extra slow, which gave us an opportunity to let Tristan take the wheel. Or should I say, tiller. Teaching Tristan how to drive the sailboat is so exciting, and he really enjoyed it. Aside from Tristan getting to rack up his hours for his captain's certificate, Mama Bear and Daddy Bear got to enjoy the cruise. One thing we will say about the Bandon bar is there is no Coast Guard watch, so there's no updates on the bar status. And even on a good day, the waves can pick up and the bar can become very dangerous. And it actually was pretty scary for our entry as well. As we approached, we were seeing 4 to 5 foot swells.
Oh my god.
Is this bad? Is it bad? Tegan, put your vest on.
Yep, that's on, baby girl. Here's just buckle my strap. Oh my god. Buckle on. Hurry,
Okay.
Tegan.
She's got it. Okay.
Alright, give me some. No, we're fine. We're fine.
Yeah, we're right in the way.
Give me some throttle. Yep, right there.
We arrived safely in the Bandon Marina, and the Daddy Bear and Tristan Bear took a ride out to the beach where we saw the waves crashing from the ocean just to see what it looked like from the beach, and it was absolutely beautiful. The Bandon Marina was really one of the more beautiful marinas we've been to. It's not super busy. It's brand new. They just redid this marina. But there are no shower amenities. They don't have any laundry available. So just keep that in mind when thinking about stopping here from a sailboat's point of view. Another thing Tristan talked us into was upgrading his crab pot. So he did get a bigger crab pot and caught us a couple crabs, just not big enough to keep here in Oregon. Well, we sure want to thank everybody for watching, and we hope that you will subscribe. And we also want to invite you to join us on Patreon, where you can become a patron for as little as $1 a month. So come and join the crew and become a patron on Patreon. The link is in the description. And we always want to thank our patrons for subscribing. It means so much to us on this journey. We have several more stops before we make it all the way to California, so definitely stay tuned, and we'll see you next time.